You're not lazy, you're scared, and no one taught you how to handle being alone. They told you to grow up, get serious, to figure it out. But no one told you what to do when your plans fall apart. No one warned you about the quiet panic that comes at 24 and when you're not where you thought you'd be. They don't talk about the shame you feel when your peers seem to be winning and you're still trying to get through the day without crying. It's not that you're doing nothing. It's that you're doing everything and it still doesn't feel like enough. You scroll past success stories and highlight reels and start to feel like your life is a mistake. They made adulthood look easy. But no one prepared you for the identity crisis, the who am I, the what am I doing with my life, the why does this feel so empty? You're grieving the version of you that had dreams. You're grieving friendships that slowly faded. You're grieving the certainty you once had about your future, and no one sees it because you keep showing up with a smile. Your 20s are not just about growing, they're about unlearning. Unlearning the belief that your worth is tied to productivity, unlearning the pressure to always have it together, unlearning the shame of not being where you should be. You've spent so much time chasing timelines: college by 21, career by 23, love by 25, stability by 27. But who created those rules? Who told you that you're behind? Maybe the lost feeling isn't failure. Maybe it's your soul rejecting a life that wasn't truly yours. Maybe you're not off track, you're just rebuilding. And rebuilding is messy, it's quiet, it's lonely, but it's also honest. Yeah. You're healing in invisible ways, learning how to say no, how to sit with silence, how to forgive yourself. No one claps for this part, no one posts about it, but it matters more than you think. The truth? You're not behind, you're just becoming. Becoming the version of you that's real, not performative, not curated, not based on what others expect, but you. You are allowed to be lost. You are allowed to not know. You are allowed to start over again and again and again. Because the girl who feels lost today might be the woman who finds herself tomorrow. Tag a sister who needs this. And if today feels heavy, just breathe. You're not late. You're on a different route.